Welcome back to The Brief by Indica News, your daily rundown of top stories impacting the Indian and Indian American communities. It's March 6, 2026. President Donald Trump has replaced Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem with Senator Markwayne Mullin, marking a significant leadership change in the administration's national security team. The move comes amid shifting priorities on immigration and border policy. India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar met Iranian official Saeed Khatibzadeh as tensions in the Middle East intensified. The discussions focused on regional stability and diplomatic coordination during the escalating crisis. The Trump administration has granted India a temporary window to continue importing Russian crude oil. The decision reflects strategic flexibility amid global energy supply concerns. Indian-born engineer Arvind Raman faced a U.S. Senate hearing regarding his potential leadership role at the National Institute of Standards and Technology. Lawmakers questioned him on technology policy, research priorities, and innovation strategy. Ongoing flight disruptions have driven airfares between the United States and India up by more than 100%. Travelers are facing sharply higher ticket prices and limited seat availability. India's Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri signed a condolence book at Iran's embassy in New Delhi following the death of Iranian leader Ali Khamenei. The gesture reflected India's diplomatic respect during a sensitive moment in regional politics. A new global study warns that breast cancer cases could rise to 3.5 million annually by 2050. Researchers stress that early screening and prevention will be critical to managing the growing health challenge. India defeated England to reach their second consecutive tournament final, with star bowler Jasprit Bumrah achieving the milestone of 500 international wickets. The victory strengthens India's momentum heading into the championship match. President Donald Trump welcomed Inter Miami CF and soccer legend Lionel Messi to the White House to celebrate the club's championship season. The event honored the team's achievements and growing impact of soccer in the United States. That's for today's roundup. Stay informed with The Brief by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow.